As traders, we make money when we wait and not when we trade. Yo, what's going on? What's going on, traders? I hope you all having a great day. Today I'm going to talk about the last trade that we took for this week on Friday. This week was pretty nice. I took 3 trades on gold and we have won all of them. For everybody who is in the free Telegram channel, you probably have seen it and I've shared the signal with you, so many of you have banked on these trades as well. I'm talking about this one over here, this one over here, and the third one was this one over here. Yeah, we had a 100% accuracy this week. Was lovely. Altogether, we made around 8% or something like that. I would say around 8% profit with a risk of 2.5%, which is pretty nice. It's more than a 3-to-1. So yeah, we've banked it. We have banked a lot of money this week. We had great risk-reward ratios, and the accuracy was just amazing, guys. 100%. I love weeks like that, man. The weekend will go crazy. We have 2 birthdays. We have 2 birthday parties, and yeah, I think I have to celebrate something because I made around $500,000 this week. And I already withdrew something. So yeah, lovely. And yeah, I want to say, guys, first of all, as traders, we make money when we wait and not when we trade. You have to understand this, because even as day traders, like, there are some days where I don't take a trade because I couldn't find a nice entry. Okay, I want to find my entry setup, We make money when we wait. We have to be patient to wait for our setups. And if we have a running position, then we have to wait again and let the trade develop, So this is why we're making money while we wait and not while we trade. Many traders, they feel like they have to trade and they are making money because they are trading, but it's not like that, guys. You have to be patiently waiting. Like a tiger who is sitting in a bush waiting for his victim, when he gets ready to eat. Man, we are kind of doing the same thing. We are waiting patiently on the sideline, wait until our setup appears, and then we step into the game, put some money on the table, put some risk on the table, and then we try to make more money than we have risked. So I have recorded the session from yesterday, so we can go into the recordings and you can see how I managed the trade, because I always like to take some profits when I get a reaction, and then I try to move my stop, lower the risk, put in some more positions and try to squeeze it as much as I can. Yesterday was the last day of the week. I was like, okay, let's not risk 1%. Let's go for 0.5% risk on that trade. We already took 2 winning trades. So on Friday is not my best day, let's say it like that. So I decided to take 0.5% risk, made around 1.3% profit, which is perfectly fine. So why I took the trade, guys? First of all, you see this low over here. This low got grabbed. Then we had a strong reaction to the upside. Structure got broken again. So I was getting ready for another buying opportunity because the structure got broken over here, and I was just waiting for the market to bring the price back into the zone where others got stopped out, or where others got tricked into the market and got stopped out after that. So in this liquidity grab zone over here, I wanted to get my entry. So I took the entry, an aggressive entry. As soon as the market hit that spot, I was getting in. And as soon as I saw a reaction, as soon as I saw that we break the structure on the smaller time frames as well, like over here. We broke the structure clearly. Then I was really confident that this trade will have a nice return. And the first obstacle for me was like this zone, the last push up before the bigger drop. This was the first kind of target that I was aiming for. And of course I took some profits even before that. When it started to move, I was banking some profits. Let's go over the live recording and let's see what I did. All right. So we started the trade. As you can see, as it hit that zone, I was getting in. And let's see how the market started to move. The trade overall was around 3 hours 40 minutes. So I banked around 80,000 in 3 hours and 40 minutes, which is amazing. I mean, the days before that were even better, but 80 grand is still a lot of money. So the market is still in kind of a bearish structure, trying to get some more sellers into the market. And then we finally had the breakthrough, and then I started to load it up and move my stop, because as soon as the structure is broken over here, as soon as the buyer stepping into the market, I'm like, all right, so this should be the low of that move. And then I took some risk off the table, and then I was able to scale in some more positions. So I'm trading with 4 positions now, and then I'm waiting for the market to give me a nice reaction. And there we go. Look, this is when I started to take my first profits. I closed 3 positions. Bam, bam, bam. Lovely move. Look at that. So, and then let's see what I did after that. I tried to load it up on that one, but this time it didn't work out. On the pullback, I wanted to get in again. So as soon as I saw that the lower time frame structure, the 1 minute time frame structure, gets back into a bullish structure. Right now, you see that? The bearish structure, the short-term bearish structure got broken. So I decided to get in again, because I thought we are going to get the next push. And then for 1 to 1, 2 to 1, a nice loaded up position. As you can see, I used 20 lots, not 30, 20 lots, because I wanted to bank some profits. If the market turns against me, I wanted to have some more profits. I didn't want to risk, I didn't want to go for a break even on that one, because I wanted to make some more. I was up 1% already, so I risked a 0.5% and I was up 1% already. That means a 2 to 1 is banked anyways, and I try to get some more out of the market, you know. So let's see what happened. I mean, I think the market was just consolidating, and yeah, I've managed that trade from my phone. Actually, I was recording, but I was on my phone, buying a birthday present for one of my friends, and yeah, then I got kicked out. So this was the trade, guys. I hope you had learned something. If you're not in the free Telegram channel, if you have missed that trade, that signal, make sure to join the free chat. You will find the link in the description. And if you need any help, any guidance, make sure to drop me a message, a private message on Telegram. This is the only way you can reach out to me. I have a lot of valuable stuff that I want to share with you. If you're interested in trading, guys, drop me a message. I'm here to help and to get you on top of the Forex game. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I see you in the next video, guys. Have a great day. Peace. Fly me through the moon.
when you know every now and then by your body, you know.